Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a favicon for your WordPress website. A favicon is that little icon that shows up next to the title of your website in the browser tab. It's a great way to add a touch of personality to your website and make it more recognizable. Let's get started. Click on Create a Design. Click on Custom Size. 48 x 48 pixels and create new design. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned how to make a favicon for your WordPress website. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tutorials and other helpful tips. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching.